What's up guys? Welcome again. Today I'm gonna teach you how to create a mobile menu that basically pop out items like bubbles. Using Adobe XD and its prototype properties, auto animate, and wind up. Before we get into the tutorial, please use this moment and click on that subscribe button below and become part of this awesome family. Now, let's get it to start. On my artboard here I've got this simple e-commerce app, and at the bottom, you can see the burger menu, home, profile, and shopping cart. So if I preview, you will see that the button is not functioning. Now to make this pop-out animation work, first, select the artboard and press Ctrl or Command D on the keyboard to duplicate the artboard. Back on the first artboard, place or move the buttons under the burger menu. Here you will realize that all the buttons add shadows and it becomes darker. So to clear this, select the buttons under the burger menu and turn their opacity to 0. Now select the burger menu, hop into prototype mode. Drag the blue handle and wire directly to the second artboard. At the properties window, change the transition to auto animate, ease out to wind up, which will enable the button to pop out. And also change the duration to 0.6 seconds. Let's preview and see how it works. To make everything flows in and out, select the burger menu on the second artboard and wire it back to the first artboard. So take a look at the properties window, you will see that it automatically adopts the previous settings. Now let's check how cool it will be. Wow, this is awesome. Now we move to the second animation, which looks similar to the first. Duplicate both the artboard. So here I will arrange the buttons vertically. Select them and click on Distribute Vertically to give an equal amount of space between the buttons. Now select the burger menu, hop into prototype mode, and wire the artboard as we did earlier. Now let's check it out. Wow, this is amazing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share, and also comment. Once again, be part of our awesome family, hit the subscribe button below. With all that, I say, I'm out. Peace.